Hello kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and this is my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a black eyeshadow messy look with red messy lipstick. What is with me and doing messy makeup? I don't know. I just think it's fun. It's a little cold in here. I don't know why. This is the, I wouldn't worry about it. This is the look that I'm doing. I'm gonna do a slightly better looking version with eyebrows. And I'm not doing this, but it's pretty edgy. I shaved the side of my head in 2020. I think around May. But this is a different person. There's no blush. There's no blush. No highlighter, no blush, no contour. Just foundation on the side of my head. Anyway, I'm gonna do this and redo it. I'm gonna do my makeup on camera, isn't that? Oh no, I have to sneeze. Achoo. Is it still recording? Okay. Right. Achoo. Oh, what a fun editing transition that I did there. Did you see what I did there? I'm so good at transitions, as you know. I did super duper highlighter. Surprise. That's not a surprise. I do that all the time. Anyways, I decided while I was doing my little doodles, this doodle, that I'm actually not gonna do eyebrows for this video. The fun browless look, a fun, like, thick eyeliner, messy eyeliner, a little bit of eyeshadow in the crease, just to, like, bring it together, and such and like as. And you will see as I go along. I think I saw an eyeshadow in Delanky that I've never used before that I want to use as a blush. Because I love using eyeshadows as blush. This looks really fun. I've never used this as a blush before or as an eyeshadow before. I'm really using this thing. Putting on too much. Surprise. And that might be all that I do, I think. Just a little bit. My song shuffle while I was doing my makeup today. This base, it was crazy. It was in this order: spicy, calm, sad, kind of lovey-dovey. I think it was like 4, because it's only been like 12 minutes. There we go. Gorgelina. Clean girl aesthetic. I look so natural. It's a lie. Now it's a piece of my foundation. I actually put on so much foundation on accident that I didn't even need concealer. And I put lots of powder on top as well. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighter on the nose. All right, now I'm gonna do the eyeshadow. This might be the shortest video ever, actually. Right. First thing I'm gonna do is do a little dust of like a brown, just the tiniest bit of shading in the crease. That way my Neanderthal brow bone won't take up much of this look, you know what I mean? Just a little boopy, and then be done with. I'm not in a rush on purpose or anything. It just seems like if this video is gonna be short, I'm gonna take the opportunity to make it short, because usually my videos are like 45 minutes long. Oopsie. I feel like Gia Gunn and her All Stars 4 makeup tutorial. I miss those, you guys. World of Wonder or Logo or whoever, if you're watching this, please force the queens to do makeup tutorials again. I don't even care. I just want to watch them. I think they like stopped forcing them to do it and was just like asking, and then every single one of them said no. Or something. This is a lot more and a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. We're improvising. I'm doing like literally everything for the first time. Like when I redo stuff, I'm like trying everything new and like trying new techniques and stuff like that. I'm like trying to blend more. I look so good right now, you guys. My fake skin looks so like clean looking far away. My under eyes are crackling right here. Oopsie. That's life. That's what people say. Blending over the brow bone, such as, like and subscribe. Now I'm gonna do gigantic wings because nobody can stop me. You know what? No, and I'm gonna do a thick wing like this way. And that's it. And that is the top wing. so far before I make it messy. And I'm also gonna drag the front to my nose, such as as that. If you girlies are good at switching my positions for you, precision, this is really good. Like if you have a steady hand and you can do like tiny little details, you can use this. It's pretty good. Not sponsored, not PR. My fluttering eyelid, so true. And I'm gonna do the bottom just a little bit. And you don't really have to be neat with this because I'm gonna make it messy in a second. So just sketch it on there and have some fun, you know what I mean? My watery eyeball. My eyeball that's watering because I can't do anything. My goodness. That is the outline. Now I'm gonna make it worse. I am, if I can find the brush, fine. Oh, it's right there. Silly me. The brown that I used in my crease is from the Morphe 39S Such a Gem palette. I think I used this one, Fame Game, this brown. So, if you're wondering. I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow from the Delanky palette, this one. This black eyeshadow, it's a matte black. I'm gonna pack it on there. Not really neatly, sort of like try to be messy on the outside, just a little bit, just a little smudgy moment. You can do like an ebb and flow, or you can be like really super chaotic the whole way. Whatever is more fun for you. You know what I mean? And that is a good start. And that was my dog. You don't really have to look at it either, just do something. Why do I remember that? A random memory from 5th grade? I don't know where that came from. I'm gonna use my classic mascara, this one, and I'm just gonna do some boopies. It's like, go bonkers. Ow. Poking my eyeball with a sharp stick, so true. You don't really have to do this part. You can use a small brush if you're following along at home. I'm gonna go down a little bit, just like, I don't know. I'm gonna do some more on the bottom, just so it's more visible, because I feel like this really isn't visible unless my eyes closed. Hello? Who's there? You don't really have to do this with mascara. You can use like black eyeshadow. I feel like I already said that. Never mind. And if you have a really cheap mascara, it's not gonna be that hard to take off if you put it all over your head like this. This isn't me trying to be goth or anything, or punk or emo or anything like that, because I know that's not what that is, and that's not what their makeup style looks like. It's just like a slightly edgy, messy look. Very clown. Thank you. Merry Clown Man. And if you get mascara on your thumb and also your hand, you're doing a great job. That's kind of cool. I think that's it. I'm just gonna move on to mascara, which I'm gonna use this. And the best part about this is you don't really have to be careful with your mascara, because you already have it all over your head. Hello. Whoa, my mascara. I slipped. Exactly. I think I'm gonna put some black eyeshadow in the waterline, because it's, you know, it just goes with this liner moment, question mark. Mark, my questions. Mark, he's really been, we have to have a meeting about Mark. I've been switching back and forth between these two mirrors. Both CoverGirl pressed powder. I just have the mirrors from them because I broke them off when I didn't want the powder anymore, or if I finished using the powder. And I just keep back and forth today, like, not smashing them. I'm not smashing them. Now, I'm gonna do lashes. I'm thinking I'm gonna do my drag lashes today. Something real simple, because this liner's really big, and I haven't been doing drag in a while. I decided I'm gonna start doing drag again when I can afford the clothes and the wigs, and that'll be when I move out as well, so all that stuff can take space. I think I'm gonna do one of these. It's sort of like a half lash that I made myself, of course. This is like 2 layers, and I think it's like the same gigantic lash that I cut in half and just put on top of each other, I think. Or something to that nature. Thumbnail in the middle. Yeah, what a good idea. I'm glad I did this. I'm not very confident in this left one. I feel like, oh, I was right. Sprite. So I'm fanning it. Hot Pockets. I really wish I had a Hot Pocket right now, but I don't have any. And I'm out of money. Alright, for lips. In the original one, I have a messy red lip on, but I kind of want to do an orange lip today. I don't know. Oh. It's gonna be messy, so maybe have multiple shades of orange. Excuse me. Maybe I'll use multiple shades of orange, yeah. First, I'm gonna use the Fluid Universal Gloss in Jupiter. Me and messy looks recently. Like, what? What's going on? This is eyeshadow. If it's not safe to do, don't do it. Me do it. I'm dumb. Activia. And you could stop here if you wanted to, if you don't want to go messy on the lipstick area, but that's what I want to do. Hope this helps. First, I think I want to do a brown lip line around the mouth, because I just decided that I want to do that, by the way. Spur of the moment. Sorry, spur of the moment. Fame game as well. I want it to be streaky on purpose. If you do messy makeup on purpose, you don't have to be precise. People will expect that of you. You'll be like, does it look like a beak? I like that. A very subtle, like, crust. Sorry. Ew. That was nasty. I realized it when I heard it. A really subtle, like, roundabout streakiness. I'm trying not to make mouth sounds, you guys. I promise. I'm a rocker chick. I'm in love with an emo girl. Fell in love with an emo girl. And I'm not gonna wear any glitter in this look, in this video. Queen of looks, changing things up. Fashion snot. Sorry. I have orange eyeshadow over my shorts. I don't know how that happened. My husband, Sauvignon Blanc. And I think that's it. I am going to brush my bang and cringe. And then put on the jewelry. And I'll be right. Oh, I'm going to put on the jewelry when I get back. I'll be right back. Okay. Tell the girls I said hi. I'm back. I looked for my husband and I couldn't find him. I think I want to do a little bit like a darker orange around the corners of my mouth. I just decided. Right. I'm great at this. You guys, where's my, you guys, the most views I've ever had, by the way, is, for this one 3 weeks ago, the orange and blue glitter, it's 364 views. That's like of the days of the year. On a leap year. I'm just messing with you. I'm just being a silly guy. Anyway, she still pays the bill. It should be working. Spectrum. I would like a word. Mark, my words. My husband. Is this one? Hello. No. Husband. Oh, the pearl. Okay, so I haven't done the full boom, 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 all the chains, all the hoops moment in a while. Ding-a-ling-ling-ling, ding-ding-ding. Like, keep making noise, please. I hate. Wait. I'm done hating. I'll always be a hater. Thank you. One time I saw a Chef Boyardee can of noodles in butter sauce in a can at the store. And I went to my grandma and I said, this is gross, right? And she went, why do you care? And I went, oh, can I just be a hater in peace, please? She doesn't get the vision, actually. The hateration and holleration in this dancery. It's all me. I'm the hateration. I'm the haterationer and hollerationer in this dancery. When did... Who was gonna tell me about that? Where's the clamp? Oh, there it is. When it's all silver, oh no, it's gonna get lost on the white part of my shirt. I did for just a moment with my husband. Oh wait, should I do just the small ones and the medium ones instead of the big ones to switch things up? You're right. That is so true. This one has big ones on it, so skipping. This one's hiding from me, so I'm definitely gonna wear it and punish it. Set it on fire. Thank you. Thank you. Someone on my roof. It's the person I locked up in the attic. They're escaping. Hashtag final girl moment. Nah. Wrong turn 3. Yeah. You think. Oh wait, is that a spoiler? Well, Google it if you want to. I'm not telling you what happened. That messed me up. It scared me. Makes me sad. Do I look like somebody that would kidnap people? You guys, please say yes. I'm just kidding. Don't say yes. Don't bum me out. You guys, do I look good? This is the end of the video and I'm taking 35 minutes to put on chains. This would be the perfect time to wear like light greenish gray contacts. If I had any and if my eyes weren't too sensitive. Poopy, poopy, fart, poopy, fart, poopy, poopy, fart. Where did my stomach growl after the poopy fart song, you guys? What's going on there? Where's the ding dang? Okay. These are all my small and medium chains. I thought that they would not look good without the big ones. And I was sorely mistaken, you guys. You guys, I'm doing a good job. Can you guys tell me that I'm doing a good job? But I love making things hard for myself. It's pretty fun. It's my favorite, as way. Ow! What? Who did that? I cannot wait for the day that I finally get to unveil and wear this Lego piece with gems on it. Glue it on my head, but today's not the day. Sorry. I mean, it could be if I had gray jewelry, not silver. This is in the silver bag because I don't have a gray jewelry bag. I'm not a lunatic. Should I do the one that kind of looks like hearts? Yeah, I should. You guys, please. Oh, I almost skipped the first part. This is the finished look, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. I really like this look. I didn't think I would like it as much as I do, but I do. I love messy makeup. If you want, please consider liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and hitting that little dingly dingly bell so you can get the notifications when I post. I'm thinking about posting every Monday, because the universe told me to. I'm considering listening to the universe so no bad things would happen to me. With that being said, bye! I can't think of anything quirky to do this time because I've made so many videos as of late. Okay, bye now.